Hello friends, 439 subsection 11 we discussed in the last video. Now let us elaboratively discuss a point in that about misreporting transactions. The claim of expenditure substantiated with the evidences is the point mentioned in 439 subsection 11. How it is interpreted and how it is to be linked with the finalization of the books of accounts. I correlate it with section 34 also. Correspondingly, the old Act, section 270A and section 37, which is regarding the general deductions in the business head. When we are finalizing the books of accounts, the profit and loss, the debit side of the profit and loss, which is the expenditure which are claimed from the profits, are allowable or disallowable subject to the number of sections which are there in the business head. Let us take an example of any expenses which is allowable under section 34. For example, printing stationery expense. For example, labor charges. For example, sales promotion, hotel expenses. Now, when these expenditures are claimed and in the assessment, if the assessing officer finds these expenditure are not for the business purpose or the supporting evidences are not substantiating that expenditure to be the business expenditure, then in that case he can disallow those, and if those are disallowed, then he can initiate the penalty of 439 subsection 10, that is about 200%. So for example, 1 lakh rupees is the expenditure debited to the P&L account, and let's say 20% are disallowed or 50% are disallowed because there was no evidence for that. Evidence means the invoices is needed to be there. If it is a GST invoice, then it should be tax invoice. Accordingly, it is recorded in the books of accounts. And suppose out of 1 lakh expenditure, 50,000 is disallowed. On that 50,000, if the tax amount is coming to, let's say, at the flat rate of 30%, it is coming to 15,000. The assessing officer has the right to levy the penalty or initiate the penalty under 439 up to 200% of the 15,000 as a penalty. So when you're finalizing the books of accounts, you have to take care of all the expenditure are substantiated, are supported with the valid proof to prove them as a business expenditure under section 34 or any specific section which is claimed in the computation. In the next video, we will be continuing with more transactions which are classified under misreporting, and there is the risk and how to cover that risk, how to mitigate that risk of penalty and take care of the client's books of accounts in the next video. Thank you very much.